Got the train right there, that old train. Sightseeing like a motherfucker. Word. Cause niggas be about to blow my high before I smoke some shit. Oh yeah, we going back here. I'm about to show y'all some nice ass cribs. Oh my goodness, this shit. You can't really see. Let me see if I can go in the middle of this shit. Hopefully this shit not gated. If it's gated, yeah, I know it's quiet chat, right? This shit gated as fuck. Could've went right there. That shit was nice. I don't know, this guy following me, bro. We gotta hurry up. You follow me on my ass. I'm really supposed to be showing y'all the car. Yeah, luxury got a little bit more torque to that motherfucker. $35 miles per hour. Let me chill. I gotta blur out this shit. I gotta start blurring that shit out. Look at that crib. That crib. Oh my goodness. Shit got like a 7-car garage. They building hella cribs over here too. Like, it's not about cribs. It's supposed to be about cars. My fault, chat. My fault, chat. Yeah, them cribs over there, we can't even really get over there, so I'm gonna go this way. I remember we went this way yesterday. Alright, there's nobody on this road. Let me launch this motherfucker. I don't know if y'all want to see him on a highway or what. I can hit 100 easily on the highway, twin. Easily. That shit ain't about nothing. Let me see this crib right here. Oh, that's a dead end. It's a dead end. I went into a dead end block. Hold on, wait. Oh, nah, that shit big as hell. These people don't even be at their house, bro. Literally. Yeah, you turn in a dead end block, they know you're not from here. Oh no. It's a dead end too? Possible. It's impossible. I'm supposed to be giving you a real POV, but I'm just showing you this nice ass scenery. That's what I call this motherfucker right here. Big ass cribs. Alright, back to the POV, man. 2025 Nissan Ultimatum. Head ass. I'm really lost in this motherfucker. That's why I didn't really have no spot to really. I know this shit not sliding or nothing crazy. So let me get up out of here. I should have enough time, but I don't even think so. Cause they about to blow my high, smoke some shit. Oh nah, this shit look Shit look weak. So I just saw back there where we was driving at. Some of them cribs is worth 50 million, 6 million, 1 million. I can't believe that. I can't believe them things is worth that much money. Like, you gotta see some of them shits. I ain't gonna lie. Check out my TikTok. Check out my Instagram channel. All the same, under the same name, WG and POV. We got motion, we get money. Damn, I could have made that light too, but I ain't trying to do nothing unexpected out this motherfucker. Word, I should take it to the car dealership. That's what I wanted to do, but everything didn't work out how it's supposed to for a reason. Everything happened for a reason, as they say. Let me know if I be chatting too much. Let me know if y'all just want me to be quiet and just drive the car and don't even say nothing about the motherfucker. If you know me personally, you know what's up. I'm grinding, twin. Getting this content. Content. If it ain't content, don't call my phone, twin. Let me know though, like, could put the steering wheel up. Look stupid like this, if you ask me. I look stupid like that. They gotta be at least like this, for. The light about to turn green right now. Don't ask me where we at. Don't ask me what I'm doing. Don't call my phone. None of that. If I could play music, I would, but I gotta chat it up. Chatterbox. I don't know. Next POV we do probably gonna be a Beamer or Benz, man. Like, why not? And then when y'all really like see the change from the first video to future, man, y'all gonna be proud of me. No cap, no kids. I know this shit this way somewhere. I don't know how far we gotta drive down. That was a limousine right there. That old ass limousine. That shit look like it's trying to steal some kids, man. I gotta look for they building hella new fucking condos right there, bro. They build these shits everywhere right now. Like, that ass. I can't believe that. 41 and a 35 is not that bad. It's not that bad at all. Cybertruck. My hand's starting to fucking hurt. Here we is here. All the stores right there. Let me get in this lane, cause I soon gotta make a right turn. Fucking got the Audi Sport. That's the electric shit. I think the e-tron shit. That shit alright. They ain't all that. You got the scooter. I should have had one of them motherfuckers do a POV on that motherfucker. Check gonna say that. Y'all really be in the comment section coming crazy on a TikTok. All my people that's from TikTok, like, comment, subscribe. The WGM Garage. Until the next video, I'm gonna tune y'all in. Share some shit. Be out.